Hey guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description below with a specific course that I use to make way over $400 a day and how I'm on track to making way over six figures this year alone. I've had the course for around 2 months, and in this time I've been able to monetize my channel and make way over $400 a day, like I said. And it is crazy how much money you can make on YouTube because it only snowballs once you've been growing your channel. The Jordan teaches you all the way from how to create your channel all the way to monetizing it, and he has very many different techniques on how to get your channel monetized within 1 week if you follow it correctly. And one way he teaches you how to get monetized within 1 day, and that's you can start making money in the first day that you take the course. So I urge you to check it out, and let me know down in the description below if you have any questions. The second thing you're going to want to do is find a niche that you're interested in. I would suggest something that you are interested in, because then you'll post better content and you'll make better compilations, or maybe you're posting Creative Commons. But regardless, you want to have some self-interest in the topic that you're doing, because that's how you'll get the best product from it. Here's a few examples. You can do conspiracy. There's a whole ton of conspiracy Creative Commons videos, and also you can create compilations and a bunch of other things. I'll show you a compilation conspiracy channel, and he makes a ton of money just by creating compilations from conspiracy channels. Anyway, here's a Fortnite. Everyone does Fortnite. I wouldn't really suggest to get into that because it's kind of saturated at this point in time. You can make music too. There's beats, and you can upload beats and different things like that, and you can make live streams. But that's it for a different video. Here's an NBA channel, and as you can see, he just literally uploads 3 to 4 minute videos, possibly even one. All of them are monetized, and he makes money piggybacking off of people like Stephen Curry and Kevin Durant and things like that. So he just uploads the greatest plays that they have, and as you can see, he doesn't have that many views on each one. I mean, it's a good amount, but at the same time, it's not that big of an amount. But over time, it just exponentially grows. And as you can see, I mean, after you look, he's posted a ton of videos just in 1 day, and he has he almost has close to 500,000 views, or roughly 500,000. But regardless, he makes a ton of money just by piggybacking off of the NBA. Here's another one, just the same thing. He just uploads, like as you can see, just little snippets of different times in the NBA games and different player highlights. But as you can see, I'm going to show you how much this guy right here makes. It is insane how much this guy makes. So you just get the channel ID, and then you paste it in the Social Blade. $1.1 million just off of re-uploading basketball highlights. That is crazy. And I wouldn't really even call this a full-on highlight. Some of these, this guy does more highlights than the other guy. Like this guy, he does not do anything but just short little snippets. And he's the top-ranked guy right now, so you should learn a little bit from him, because he's obviously doing something right. Because when you search NBA clips, he's definitely one of the first few people to pop up. The next thing you're going to want to learn how to do is how to download both Twitch clips and YouTube videos. Both are super simple to do, and it takes literally a few seconds depending upon your internet connection speed. So that's a big variable in here. For Twitch clips, I use Clipper, and for YouTube videos, I use qdownloader.net. Both of them are really easy to use. For YouTube videos, you just want to either right click on the video and press copy link address, or you can click on the video and get it from right here. Regardless, you just want to go back into the downloader and click and paste it into there. And once you do that, it'll populate a bunch of links. You can download in 1080 or 720. Then you just click it, and you'll begin to download. For Twitch clips, it's almost the same thing. For instance, Apex Legends is a good example of something that's hot right now, and you want to go to clips. And once you go to clips, you'll see that there are a few clips right here, and you can either right click on this again and press copy link address, or you can go into the actual clip and get the web address from there. And then you're going to want to go to Clipper and paste it in there, and there it is. All you have to do is click it and download it, and there you go. You can compile a whole bunch of Twitch clips and that's a really good method to make a lot of money on YouTube right now. The next thing you're going to want to do is compile around 8 to 10 minutes of the best videos that you can find, whether it's compilations of maybe Twitch clips, video games, conspiracy theories, NBA clips. Regardless, you want to compile around 8 to 10 minutes. That's the optimum limit, and you can use a few softwares to do this that are free. DaVinci Resolve, I use that, and it literally is the best editing software that I've found, and it's free. And when people say generally it's free and it's the best, it's generally not, but in all honesty, it really is the best software that I have found. It renders really quick on Mac. It's almost as fast as Final Cut, but for Windows users, they do have one for Windows. DaVinci Resolve does, and so does HitFilm. HitFilm is a really good one too, but the render time is it's not as good as DaVinci Resolve, so that's why I use DaVinci's. Anyway, there's an iMovie for Mac. If you do have a Mac, I don't really like it, and I do have a Mac, but regardless, all three of these are very good options. Next, you're going to want to upload your video to YouTube. It's super simple to do that. Once you've compiled it, you're going to want to go to YouTube, just the main page of YouTube, and there should be this little camera right here. You're going to want to click it, and then it'll say upload video. And then once you do that, you drag and drop anything that you have right into there, and you'll be uploading it to YouTube, and it's super simple and super easy. The next thing, you want to learn how to make a thumbnail, or if you do know how to make a thumbnail, I recommend to either use Canva or Snappa. They're very easy to use. They're very user friendly. Canva is a lot cheaper and it's free. Snappa, you have to pay. You have 5 free downloads at first. I like Snappa, but at the same time, most people want the free option. So I would recommend for everyone not wanting to spend money to use Canva. Anyway, so you would just go to the Canva website. You can either choose what dimensions you want, or you can just type in here YouTube, and it'll come up with either channel art or thumbnail. You're going to want to do thumbnail, and once you do that, you can begin creating it. They have a bunch of templates here, or you can create your own. You can upload a bunch of different images, so it's all around. It's really easy to use, and it takes literally 5 to 10 minutes to make one. The next step is learn how to monetize your channel before you have 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. Even if you do have 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, this is just something to increase your profits on the YouTube channel. You're going to want to find some type of affiliate link to something that maybe has something to do with your channel. I recommend something like ClickBank maybe, or you can just Google a bunch of different softwares that have somewhat resemblance to do with your niche, and put that in the description. Maybe go to bit.ly and put your link in there so you can see how many clicks that your link does get. It just helps with the conversion rates, and regardless, you just need to find something that has to do with your niche and put it in the description, and it'll bring a bunch of different people to the link, and they'll possibly purchase with your link, and you'll get money. But that's just something that I don't see a lot of people talk about, but you're going to want to place an affiliate link to something in the description,